Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking the CSV so import succeeds, open it in a text editor, and confirm the header and delimiter. Make sure you have explicit X/Y or latitude and longitude columns because Qgis maps by those fields. Choose the coordinate reference system you intend to use, for example EPSC 4326, and remember that CRS mismatches are a common source of error. Once done, launch Qgis and keep the CSV file location handy. In Qgis, go to Add Delimited Text Layer and select the CSV. Pick the right delimiter and file encoding so characters and numbers parse correctly. Then assign the X and Y fields or the latitude and longitude fields. This step tells Qgis how to create geometry from your table. Set the layer's geometry CRS to the one you prepared earlier so coordinates plot correctly on the map. Preview the import to confirm points display. If they don't, recheck field mapping and delimiter. After confirming the points, save the layer into a persistent format like GeoPackage or shapefile so you don't repeat the import. If you need another CRS, use Export Save Features as and choose the target EPSC to reproject cleanly. For messy geometry or missing features, run basic fixes with vector geometry tools. One key troubleshooting tip: if nothing appears, first reopen the CSV to confirm delimiters and numeric formats, and then ensure the assigned CRS matches the coordinate values in your file.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.